Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.
The EMMO Urban. I've done a few videos on these over the last like 4 years, but I just want to say how awesome this bike is. It has been around for years, probably since 2010. It's a very common style. They're one of your best bang for your bucks. They start at $15.99 and you can go up to, they're 48 volt only, and you can go up to a 50 amp hour lithium. You're going to get like well over 100 kilometers per charge because it's a lighter bike and it's a 48. And I think that bike's like 3,100 bucks or something like that. But it's really this perfect, like bicycles aren't as comfortable to ride longer distances. And the reason people go to scooters is because they're more comfortable. This is your exact in between because it's lighter, it's more manageable, but you can actually pedal this bike and it has sensors in the crank. So you're assisting this scooter just as you would on a bicycle. So it does lack, you know, rear storage, but I mean, again, on a bicycle, you still have to figure that out as well. But all of the batteries are removable. So whether you get the $15.99 one with the lead acid, they're all removable. So this is great for people in condos, or they can't keep it inside. They can take the battery out. So this just unplugs here and you take the battery out. It's the same size for any of the battery choices. You've got 12 amp hour lead acid, that's $15.99. 12 amp hour lithium, 30 amp hour lithium, and 50 amp hour lithium. So yeah, easy, fun, amazing bang for your buck, been around for years, and we sell a number of these every year, like no matter what. When I used to do rentals back in the day, this is what I rented just because it was easy for people to learn. And especially because your feet are on both sides instead of in front of you, this seems a little bit more natural, but yeah, I can't forget about this Urban. These are awesome.